In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code items in Monday.com fast and easy. Have you ever looked at your Monday.com boards and wished they were just a bit more organized or visually appealing? Color coding your items can create this desired clarity and make your workspace more intuitive. So let's dive into the process and see how you can achieve this with just a few clicks. First up, we'll focus on utilizing the status or label columns. These are versatile features within Monday.com that allow you to assign different colors attached to each label. This setup is fundamental in building a color-coded system on your boards. Start by selecting the status or label column you intend to use. If it's not already present on your board, you can add it by clicking the Add Column button on the right side of your board and choosing Status or Label from the options. This setup forms the backbone of our color coding initiative. Now, on to the fun part. Choosing different colors for each label. When you click on the status field next to an item, a menu will appear with several labels and color options. You can rename these labels to fit your specific use case, be it project stages, team responsibilities, or priority levels. Click on each label to assign a unique color that resonates intuitively with the category it represents. For example, a high priority label might be red, while low priority could be green. This step is where you get to customize your workspace to reflect your specific needs and preferences. Once you've set up your labels with their respective colors, you'll see these colors appear directly on your items. Your board will come to life visually as items are organized with immediate, color-based indications of their status or category. This is particularly beneficial when you're dealing with various tasks or projects, as it allows you to discern levels of importance or responsibility at a glance. Color coding in Monday.com can significantly enhance your ability to visually organize categories, teams, or priorities effectively. This method not only saves you time in identifying tasks, but also enhances team collaboration by providing clear visual cues. It's a simple action with the power to transform the way you and your team interact with your workspace. By using color coding, you simplify task management, improve workflow efficiency, and heighten collaboration, making it a must-have strategy for projects of any size. So take a few moments to explore these customization options and watch as your productivity unfolds in vivid color. Happy organizing in Monday.com.